Hi, this is a short video for Fusion 360 CAM users. It's just to show an alternative to the facing operation that we have in Fusion. If I just simulate the facing operation in this, what will happen is you will get what we call tramlining on the facing operation. It'll leave marks, parallel marks, which are offset by the cutter diameter or the offset that you use in the machining operation. And some users don't like to see these marks. It's not as though there are any Z level differences, it's just that they leave these lines. And an alternative method of facing in Fusion, if I just suppress this facing operation, is to use adaptive clearing. So I'll just select the same tool as I used for facing, and just going to change the bottom height to the top of the model. This is the important bit, and also just make sure there's no stop to leave on there. Run the operation, and this will give us a facing operation, but using the toroidal machining that you get with the adaptive clearing. And there you are, an alternative method to the facing operation. Hope that helps. See you in the next video.